Hi everyone, this is Samantha Figueroa. I'm going to be showing you a quick way on how to select the images and batch process them through Photoshop through Bridge for web use. Okay, so once you have your your Bridge browser up, you're going to go to your images. I'm going to select all. I'm only using 4, however you can do as many as you need. These are full high-res TIFF files that I just got out of Photoshop. I finished editing, retouching them. So I'm going to select all, Command A. I'm going to go up to Tools, down to Photoshop, Image Processor. Then this window will come up for you. So really quickly, first, number 1 right here, you want to make sure that the number right here, 4, that's the images you're going to be processing. Make sure you have them all selected because I've made that mistake where I think I have 17 images selected and I only have 1. So make sure that the number there matches your images. So that's correct. I have 4. Select where you want to save. So save in same location, or you can select your own folder. I'm going to save in location, and I'll show you what it does at the end. I just find it easier. However, you can follow your own workflow if you know how to, if you have your own way of saving files. And then it's going to ask you file type. So I am batch processing TIFF files, and I want them to be JPEG for my Facebook fan page. So basically, save as JPEG, make sure that's clicked, convert profile to sRGB. So obviously you want sRGB color space for online usage. So I'm going to leave that on. However, if this is not online usage or anything like that, then you can unclick that. But leave that right there, and then the quality of your images. So you can select that from 1 to 10. I always leave mine at 10. That's up to you. And then you can resize to fit. So and if you have a blog or anything like that that needs specific sizes, you can do that right here, and it'll apply to all. I don't need that, so I'm going to unclick that. You can save as PSD or save as TIFF also. And then you can do the same thing, resize to fit, and you can actually do different resizing on all 3. I don't need those right now, but just so you know that you can do that. Photoshop files and TIFF files. And then the really cool thing, you can run an action. So let's say you're doing a wedding, you want to run an action on all the images, all your Photoshop actions will come up here. Just click on the one that you want to use, leave it there. There's a few vignette selections from Photoshop too that you can run. I'm not going to run any of those, but if you leave these on default, you can actually write something in the copyright info. So that's the metadata. So if you forgot to apply metadata before you got to this point, you can just write it right here and it'll apply to all. I actually have metadata on my images, so I'm going to unclick that, and I'm just going to leave this one on, include ICC profile. So my metadata is included in all of them anyways. I'm going to hit run, and you're going to see the images come up in Photoshop in your screen. You're going to see Photoshop work through the images really quick. And so you're going to see almost done. One more. And there you go. You can go back to Bridge and you'll see a JPEG file come up. And there they are. JPEG files. You're done. Ready to upload.